Right then, let's get back to our roots and turn a big Tigerwood bowl. Right then, on the lathe I have a Tigerwood blank. I haven't done a plain wood bowl in ages, not a big one. Right, this one has a couple of little problems in it. It's got an inclusion there, got a bad saw mark there, right? But that'll probably all just turn out. So what I'm going to do first is round it off, put a marks on it, and we get going from there. Checking I'm getting a cut all the way around. One more should do it nicely. Yeah, goes round. There's a bump there, but that'll be turned out. Base actually, it's pretty square, so I don't need to do anything with the base. Put in the mortise. Now on this one I'm going for a single curve out and not a recurve like I do quite a lot, because I want to make sure I get rid of those flaws in it. Get the corner out of it. The two of us in where I want it. The choke. Right, just hogging away wood here just to get down to the shape I want. Whatever's the quickest way of doing it. Now I'm going to pull cut from there so we can get into there. Now that I'm into the foot, I can start. It's an OG appearing in that. I don't want an OG in this one. This is to sharpen this gouge again. Seems you've gotten rid of those flaws. I don't know what it is lately, but my lighting seems to be off lately or something. I don't know what it is. Right, now to see it, there's a slight bump just there, and there's a ridge I don't want on it. So a very light pull, just to get rid of that ridge. You get a nice sandable foot on it. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, that's looking good. Alright then, we have a nice single curve in that. It's an unusual shape for me to do. Normally I would come out that way more and then put a second curve in, do a recurve. But this single curve one, it's I don't do them very often. But I just thought this one, for a change, might need it. Right, so I'll sand it, finish that, and we'll be back in a sec. Alright, just buffing the wax off. Remember earlier on I said I thought there was something up in my lighting. The light up there has 5 like LED strips in it, and one of them is gone, so I need to replace the light that's up there. Right, but the bowl turned out nice. It's been a while since I've done one just out of wood without some resin or nothing like that in it. Just had to make a nice change. Isn't that pretty? Right then, we put the thing for the maker's mark in. And then I flip it over. Get the other side done. Get it hollowed. Alright then, first thing, flatten it off. Way too slow. Right. Check the rim's good. Right. Find the width of the bowl, all that size, I need to get out that thick. And then just hollow away. I'm having a little problem just there with some grain, so I'm gonna use a scraper on it. Leave it with a big scrape and see if that'll solve that little problem in there for me. When I'm scraping, I'm actually watching over here because I can see that little shadow line there that's giving me the trouble. There's a tiny little shadow line and a little tiny bit of bad grain. Giving me a problem. Got it. Yeah, it's just, there's a weird little bit of grain just there, but it's giving me a bit of grief. I thought that was chatter for a minute, it's not, it's in the wood. Right, now we get the inside of this done. There we go, same sanding surface, and now we will sand to finish the inside of that. So I'll do that and be right back. Alright, just buffing the wax off. Turned out very nice. I haven't actually done just a plain wooden bowl on video in ages. To be honest, I haven't done one in ages. With no like resin or anything in it. And I definitely haven't done one that isn't a compound coat in a long time. And this was just a single coat. Turned out very nice, but I'm really noticing that light up there missing. I think I noticed something when I was editing the that antler video from last week. The lighting didn't seem right, and now I know why. See, if I just glance up at it, it looks like it's on, but then if I look close, you can see there's a bar missing. That turned out really nice. Isn't that nice? Alright, I'll take it up, give you a bit of a look at it. So I'll be back in a sec. Right then, there we have it. A really nice 15.5 by 3 Tigerwood bowl with no resin or nothing in it. As I said, I haven't done a plain one in a while. I really like doing them. You know, like, you know me, I'm kind of a purist. So, as I said, there wasn't much happening in that video because nothing much really happened. It was quite an easy bowl to turn. I had no problems with it, apart from that one little bit of grain inside. And what it actually was, I found out now, there's a little knot just there, and it was making the gouge jump. So if you like that one, I got out and out of it. If you wouldn't mind leaving a like on the video, and I'll see you in the next one.